Today I'll show you how to remove text from a video in CapCut Mobile. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. Tap New Project. Now choose the video that has the text you want to remove. Tap Add to import it into the timeline. Once the video opens, check whether the text is a separate editable layer. If the text was added inside CapCut, you should see a text layer above the video clip in the timeline. Tap the text layer. Then tap Delete. The text will be removed from the video. If the text is already part of the video, like a watermark, subtitle, or text burned into the footage, you cannot delete it like a normal layer. In that case, you need to cover it, crop it, blur it, or use a removal tool if available. To cover the text, tap Overlay. Add a photo, sticker, shape, or duplicate part of the video. Place it over the text area. Adjust the size and position so it hides the text naturally. If the text is near the edge of the video, you can crop it out. Tap the video clip, choose Edit, then select Crop. Adjust the frame until the text is outside the visible area. If you prefer to blur the text, tap Effects, choose a blur effect, and apply it over the text area. Adjust the duration so it covers the text for the whole time it appears. Finally, preview the video. If the text is hidden properly, tap Export in the top right corner. And that's it. You now know how to remove text from a video in CapCut Mobile. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.